Hi everyone, this is Niha, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own paper squishy at home. I know you guys are so bored of lockdown, so stay home, stay safe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper squishy, and just watch till the end and you'll know what paper squishy. And I'm going to be making a marshmallow paper squishy with chocolate glaze with sprinkles. Who doesn't love that? It's yum. I just love marshmallows. Have you tried marshmallows? Just try it. They're so yummy. So let's get into the video, and please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and don't forget to share this video with whoever you like. So let's start the show. But first, I'll be showing you what things you would be required. Some glue, an A4 sheet, some sticky tape, or some plastic, clear plastic, some scissors, some stuffing like cotton or some normal junk, some sketch pens or any kind of color pens or something, and some pencils. At the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you 3 unexpected squishies which I've made in the past. So let's get started. So now, first you're going to be taking the A4 sheet and folding it in half like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You just have to fold it. Then press. Now, you open the pouch and then take whatever pencil. I'll take this pencil, small. And as I said, it's a marshmallow. So we'll start drawing the marshmallow. First, a slanting line. Doesn't have to be perfect in the first, I said, guys, because it's just not a real marshmallow. And guys, tell me what next videos I should post. Some cucumber? What else should I do? Write in the comments. It doesn't have to be that perfect. Somehow it's a kind of marshmallow. Oh. Like this. And now let's take our sketch pens and then outline it. Now I said it doesn't have to be perfect. Now we'll draw some kind of curves like some crust. Because I like some kind of bacon or something. Sweet bacon or something. Just add a little touch like this. And then color it nicely. Now the upper part. Good. Now we'll take another color for the chocolate glaze. Now guys, for the chocolate glaze, you can take whatever color you like brown, black, whatever color you like. Mine says chocolate, and I'm taking dark brown because chocolate is my favorite on sprinkles. So first, draw some kind like this. It almost looks like sprinkles, but they're not sprinkles. And now, like this. This combination is very nice. Now for green. take our brown and then draw some kind of chocolate glaze. Alright guys, so I just made 2 circles and shaded, and they are so cute, and a little mouth, and some sprinkles, some chocolate glaze, and some bacon or something? I don't know. And now we'll take our sticky tape and then again search for the sticky tape area. Now the sticky tape ends over here. Don't go. Alright guys, so I took my tape out and then I'm going to cover this with tape. So this might take a little long time. By the way, you can even use the clear plastic. I thought of using the clear plastic, but it's alright. Now take your scissors and cut. Do the same thing in the other area. Now this should come neat and clean. And cut. Alright guys, if it's a little bit clumsy on the side, it's alright. But the middle part should be correct and neat. Okay guys, I'm gonna say why we sticked the squishy with sticky tape, because whenever we squish it and then the paper starts to fall, like it becomes nothing. It tears and then the stuffing inside, it comes out of the squishy. So that's why we should always put sticky tape after we finished drawing the squishy. Now, time to cut. It should be neat and perfect, guys. Alright guys, I've cut my squishy out and it's a little bit small, but that's alright since I'm gonna do bigger versions. And now, the back side we cover with tape again. This tape process is very huge, guys. So, please be patient. Alright guys, I've covered the front part with sticky tape and this part with sticky tape. Now, we just had to join them together. Take the scissors and then start cutting this part slowly, like this in parts. You can't see the parts in the camera, but while doing it, you can. Sorry guys, I did it a little small, but accident. But it's alright. In next videos of making squishies, I'll show you how to make even bigger. Like this. I'll just cut it and show you. Alright, they are cut into pieces. Now join them and stick them on each side. This is a little tricky, but worth the shot. They should be perfect and neat. Alright. And now, stick it. Alright guys, now you got it like the front and back, kind of like an opening. We need this. We have it like this, like a finger puppet or something. Now we just take more tape and stick it down. But this is pretty easy. Take the tape and then find it where it is. Again guys, yeah. This can take a little bit time, guys. Alright guys, I'm sticking it with sticky tape like this. And now I'm going to snap it. It's a little big, but be careful. Don't want to snip the paper. Now you got this. And then fold in the other side. So it would appear in the front side. Like this. See? Pretty easy. Now we got the bottom part, and now we're gonna be filling our filling. I'll take some cotton for this, and then filling it. Fill it with nice cotton. Now take a little bit more cotton and now add a little bit more of cotton just to get a little more squishiness, like when you're squishing it. Alright guys, I have filled my squishy with cotton. Now I'm gonna take my tape again and then close it like exactly on the same side which I did. We have done our paper squishy, and it's a little tiny though, but you can make a bigger one. Show me. You can write it in the comments about how you made it and how you did it. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to squish it. Squish! Isn't that nice, squishing it? Guys, I'm going to be showing you a surprise. At the first I said like there'll be a surprise, so I'll say it. When I was little, I always wanted a paper squishy, so I made them. And here it is, a little strawberry squishy. And it's kind of like a macaroon or something. Almost looks like a sandwich. And then, magic, poof. A blueberry pie, which I'm going to be showing you how to make it in my other video. And then finally, ta-da! A Pocky squishy, which I'm going to show you in my next video also. These three I'm going to be showing in my next video, guys. Look, a closer look. And little marshmallow. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. So bye! See you with your squishies!